How to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Los Angeles, USA. Welcome. I am Emre, the webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for investors who is living in Los Angeles. Yes, how to deposit money on Binance and how to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. If you want, you can use the 20% commission kickback link and code in description section. Now, I want to show you. This is our website, cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this website, you can find all informations about cryptocurrencies like this. This is main page, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card or PayPal. This is important point, list of top cryptocurrencies. You can click this area. Yes, in this page you can find all informations about important cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Chainlink, and others. We have articles about cryptocurrencies. Now, how to buy Bitcoin in Los Angeles with ease this way. If you want to get information about Bitcoin, you can click this area, this button. All Bitcoin informations here. You can click in this area and you can go and buy Bitcoin.